Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Izingane Zesihembu will be back on our screens and go agasti, and we have to expect more drama and bumele nje basinikeze more drama because besokuthule kakhulu njengoba nje umzumbe ungasekho. Last time nje kuZingane Zesihembu sashiya uSine noTirelo bephuza ujeke bediscussa nje laphana noMusa Emangele ukuthi hayibo uTirelo kanti nani niphuza ujeke. And then uAmahle was introduced to uTirelo and everyone was amazed ukuthi uTirelo didn't think ukuthi uSibindi uzomreplace since uVuyo bekahambile, and uTirelo was crying nje laphayana. Bo kuyisimanga nkosi yami. Kodwa kuleyo season uTirelo find out ile nkosi yami kunine find out, but then uSibindi wagcina esemproposa.
Mina ngixoxa ukuthi angikaze ngize ngizilami social media ngathi nginengane. Yini ndaba nithatha izinto ey'shiwo abantu nizoyibuza mina yini ningabuza bona labo bantu ngoba basho ukuthi bayazi phela.
Chabo.
Thandweni. Awe ma.
And I think that's why uAmahle bekangafuni nje ukuveza ingane, engafuni ukusho ukuthi nje unengane noma akanayo ingane. But then kule video le engicede ukuyibukela you saw ukuthi umntana welo wakhala egcineni, so sho ukuthi bazomveza manje umntana khona. And uMayeni once said yena sekanabazukulu abayi-4, abafana abayi-3, intombazana e-1, so sho ukuthi ingane yakhona izovela manje kuZingane Zesihembu. I just hope they give us more drama the way uThando Nesithembu kade sebekasinikeza idrama, bekune-drama. But then khona noKhwezi, so I think kuzoba more drama because nimbonile the way akhuluma ngakhona nabazali Lwandle. And then the youngsters, I'm not sure ukuthi bazonikeza yiphi idrama yazi. I'm not sure. We're expecting something. We are expecting something. And ASC drama sihlezi siyithola kuSine, but ubukeka njengomuntu oshintshile, nambona na the way aphuma ngakhona emanzini. Muhle, I don't even think uSine usazomitha because watshela uTirelo ukuthi yena sekafakile i-implant esandleni, so I don't think usabafuna abanye abantwana. And umntana wakhe uNkanyezi uyamveza nokumveza akamfihli vele yena. And I think they will also raise the concern ukuthi abazali babo basukile eMzumbe and nabo abasekho endaweni e-1, so it's hard for them to meet up. Futhi bona as ama-siblings bahlangana la bahlangana khona, but then bazosivezela bona ukuthi sokunjani ukuhlala ngaphandle eMzumbe, especially laba abancane vele bazositshela kahle. Guys, I just can't wait. Bathi i-date izophuma nje sizobona khona phambili. Guys, what are you expecting? What are your thoughts about this? Thank you guys for watching.